Good morning students. Welcome to your maths class. Students, we were doing exercise 11.3. Today we will complete this exercise. Now question number 8 is how many envelopes can be made out of a sheet of paper of 100 centimeter by 65 centimeter. It means length and breadth of paper is 165 centimeter. Supposing one envelope requires 25 centimeter and by 4 centimeter piece of a paper. For making an envelope, this much paper is required, that is 25 centimeter and 4. So how many envelopes can be made? Beta, yesterday also I have told you that when you have to find the number of envelopes or number of tiles, then you have to divide the bigger area from the shorter area. So first of all we will find the area of paper, then we will find the area of the small paper, and then we will divide them. So first of all, length of paper is 100 centimeter, breadth of paper is 65 centimeter, area of paper is length multiply breadth, so 100 multiplied by 65 is 6500 centimeter square. Now for one envelope, how much piece of paper is required? This is the length of envelope is 25. You can write length of one envelope, breadth of one envelope and area of one envelope. So it is length multiply breadth, that is 25 multiplied by 4 is equals to 100 centimeter square. So this is the area of one envelope. Now we have to find the number of envelopes. So area of paper divided by area of one envelope. Area of paper is 6500 and area of one envelope is 100. So this we will divide them. 2 zeros will be cancelled by 2 0. So our answer is 65 envelopes. Now our next question is this ninth question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of side 38 meter and 17 meter at the rate of rupees 21 per. But this square meter is written now, you have to cut this word. It will not be in square, it will be in meters. When you have to find the cost of fencing means you have to first find the perimeter. So we will write length of rectangular park is this, breadth of rectangular park. So length is 38, breadth is 17. When you have to find the cost of fencing, so it means you have to find the perimeter. So perimeter is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 2 multiplied by 38 plus 17. We will solve it. Our answer is 110. It means perimeter of this park is 110. This is one rectangular park. We have found its perimeter. So you have to do fencing. So fencing कहाँ पे होती है? Perimeter पे होती है. So first we have found the perimeter. Now cost of fencing 1 meter. 1 meter को fencing करने की cost is 20 rupees 21. So cost of fencing कितना आया था आपका perimeter? 110. So cost of fencing 110 meter is 110 multiplied by 20 is 2310 rupees. Now our next question is a wall of the kitchen is 8 meter long and 6 meter wide. Wide means breadth. One kitchen wall is given and its length and breadth are given, which is to be fitted with the tiles of each length of 32 centimeter and breadth 25 centimeter. It means one wall is given whose length and breadth is given, and one tile is given whose length and breadth is also given. You have to find the number of tiles. I have already told you, when you have to find the number of tiles, bigger area divided by smaller area. So we'll understand it. Suppose there is one rectangular wall. Its length is 8 meter and breadth is 6 meter. It has to be fitted with some tiles. ऐसी इतने साइज की टाइल्स लगानी है जिसकी लेंथ है 32 सेंटीमीटर and breadth is 25 centimeter. So how you have to find how many tiles will be fitted in this wall. So we know that when we have to find the number of tiles, area of wall divided by area of tile. Bigger area divided by smaller area. But one thing that you have to keep in your mind is that length and breadth of wall is given in meter, but length and breadth of tile is given in centimeter. So both the units should be same first. So we will convert length of wall is 8 meter, that is 800 centimeter. Breadth of wall is 6 meter, that is 600 centimeter. We have converted meter into centimeter and this is already in centimeter. Now we will find the area of the wall. Area of wall, it is rectangle. So length multiply by breadth. Length is 800, breadth is 600. 8 6 are 48 and 1 2 3 4 zeros after this. So this is the area of the wall. Now we'll talk about the tile. Length of tile is 32 centimeter. Breadth of tile is 25 centimeter. So area of tile, area is also length multiply breadth. We will multiply and we get our area. Now we have to find the number of tiles. How we will find? Area of wall divided by area of tile. So here 2 zeros will be cancelled by 2 0. 8 6 are 48 and 2 zeros are here. So 600 tiles are required for this complete wall to be fitted. Now our next question is find the area of square of length 124 centimeter. There is one square whose side is 124. But it is written length. Length का मतलब भी because it is square and we know that length and breadth are equal. So it is called side. तो ये नहीं सोचना कि length लिखा है तो क्यों लिखा है. अगर क्वेश्चन में length भी लिखा है then only it means कि side of a square. So side of a square is 124 centimeter. You have to find the area in square meters. क्वेश्चन में तो दे रखी है साइड सेंटीमीटर में, लेकिन जो एरिया निकालना है वो निकालना है स्क्वायर मीटर्स में. सो साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 124 सेंटीमीटर. तो आपको मीटर में निकालना है एरिया. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर इनटू मीटर. टू कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर इनटू मीटर वी विल डिवाइड बाय 100. So 124 centimeter will be equal to 1.24 meter. Now we know that area is side multiply by side. So 1.24 multiply by 1.24. It will be equal 1.5376 meter square. Now we have found the area in meter square. So students, today you will complete this exercise in your notebooks.